Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I created this shimmery eye look which is perfect for the summers. So without wasting any time, let's begin. I'm starting with this red wine day cream by Natural Goodies. Natural Goodies are my new favorite for skincare. I'm using this day cream as a primer and beetroot lip balm. This makes your lips pink naturally. Next I'm using this brow pencil by Blue Heaven Cosmetics. They have the most affordable and quality products. Filling your brows really make the difference. I'm using this 10 pan eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild, starting with this brown shade. Starting on the outer corner, I'm gently pressing the eyeshadow into the skin. Now I'm gonna use this black eyeshadow as a liner. I'm trying to blend it with the brown that we used earlier. I'm taking this olive green, it's a shimmer eyeshadow, and placing it all over my lid with my finger, and then I'm going to use the brush. Then I'm using this green bluish shade. It's a very beautiful color, even has hues of purple in it, and I'm placing it between the brown and the olive green, creating a transition. Again, I'm taking the black eyeshadow and placing it along my lash line. Now I'm blending the eyeshadow on my crease with a fluffy brush, making it look more softer. I'm cleaning the edges with the micellar water. This makes the eyes look very sharp and very lifted. Now I'm using the liquid concealer by Swiss Beauty, and also will warm up my face by using the concealer palette from Swiss Beauty. And with the help of Beauty Blender, I'm going to blend it. Now that I've done that, I'm going to set my face by using Gala of London setting powder in the shade Pearl Ivory. And again, by using the Beauty Blender, I'm going to gently press the setting powder under my eyes. And take your time with this, it's a very important step. I am using this blush by Blue Heaven Cosmetics in the shade Diamond, and applying it on the highest points of my face, making my face look lifted and slim. Now I'm creating this extended wing on my lower lash line. Next I'm using this mascara by Rimmel London Extra Super Lash Building Mascara. It makes my lashes look really pretty. And next I'm using this lipstick in the shade Blushing Bali by Wet n Wild. I'm taking my time with the lipstick because I tend to get very messy when I'm applying my lipstick. And for some reason I was expecting this lipstick to be matte, but it's not matte. So I'm going to apply my matte brown lipstick over it. And it's done. Here we go. Here's the complete look. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please hit the like button and comment if you like. and subscribe if you haven't. That's all I'm going to say. I'd like to show side to side face. Oh, it looks beautiful, and definitely my face looks slimmer. See the close-up, see all the texture on my skin, and this is how real makeup looks. No filter, no editing. This bronzy look is perfect for the summers. I hope you liked it, and see you. Bye bye.